Morning, Alhaji sir. Sir, I want to report something to you, and I beg you, sir, please. I really want you to take this serious. I mean, this is something that we've all been going through even before I was born. Now, sir, the issue is my mom got married to my dad at the age of 19, 20 years plus. My elder sister is going to be 24 on Wednesday, and my mom is going to be 44 on Wednesday as well, January 26th. And I just turned 20 on Friday, last Friday. Now I'm the third born, like I said earlier, and my sister is the first born. I have an older brother who is 22. By September, I will be 23, and myself, and I have two other siblings. A boy who is in Federal Government College, Ijaniki, is in SS3. He will be 16 by March, and I have a little sister who is 3. She'll be 4 by May. Now, sir, the thing is, growing up, we've been witnessing so many crises from my dad. I mean, my dad beats my mom, does so many, they've been separated countless times, and they'll still come back together, and it's a lot of things has been happening, which my mom and us have always been at the receiving end. Fine, my dad doesn't joke with our education. He takes us to good schools. He pays expensive school fees and all that, and feeds us well, but we never had that peace of mind. Now, we moved to our house 2018, though a lot of circumstances and situations surrounds that. But sir, yesterday something happened again. This happened every single time. Now, my daddy came back because my dad does not stay in Lagos permanently. Like, he comes to Lagos, spends 3 or 4 days, and he goes back. He stays at Abuja and Bauchi. He's a farmer. Now, my dad came back. My mom told me he came back I think it was on Friday, my birthday day. He came back. I'll be on Thursday. Then, when he came, I asked my mom, because each time my dad comes back, they're usually scared. So we'll just ask my mom, Mommy, is everything okay? We keep calling her to know if everything is okay. And if she doesn't answer the phone, my elder brother lives close to the house, because he and my dad, something happened one time around 2016. Yes, my dad wanted to beat my mom, and then my brother was my dad beat my brother and disowned him as at that time. And so many things happened. So my dad and my brother have not been in good terms since then. So my brother decides to stay outside the house. We got an apartment. It's not far from our house. So each time we call my mom and she's not answering the phone, we call my brother, and most of the time there's always a problem. When she doesn't answer the phone, we know that my dad is at it again. So yesterday, my mom called me yesterday morning, and she told me that it was not a small thing on Thursday night, that my dad woke up and just started talking and all that. I said, hope nothing happened. She said, no. I said, where's my younger brother? She said he has gone back to school that Sunday morning because he's a border. I said, okay. I hope you're okay. I hope you're fine. She said, yes, that my dad is not even inside. That he's going back. He's leaving Lagos tomorrow. That's today. I said, okay, no problem. I called only for her to call me about like 15 or 20 minutes later. She said, as she's speaking to me now, she was panting and she was also crying that she's in my neighbor's house. And my daddy came and started to beat her, he harassed her, removed her clothes. It was just, so this is things that we've been going through even before I was born. My mommy's family told my mom outright that they do not care about whatever happens to her, because they told her from the beginning not to get married to my dad. Because my dad has always been coming to their house to harass them, fight them, and do so many things. Now, the thing is, as it is right now, we want my dad and my mom to separate. But they've done this several times without the interference of anybody. I mean, fine, they've gone to court, done so many things, human rights and all that. But still yet, my dad would still always come back to harass her. I mean, you can see her on the road, start harassing her, threatening her life, threatening with the children that he will kill us, he will do this, he will do that. So as it is right now, my mom just wants something that is going to be like a permanent warning to him that he should not interfere with her life again. I mean, he should not, even though he sees her, he should not hurt her or harm her anywhere he sees her, because as it is, my mom wants to leave the house. She does not want to stay again And with the children, all of us were in support of it. Even neighbors, everybody has said that's what should happen. Because we just go to this environment. When we first got there, it was quarrel that my daddy used to quarrel my mom. When he found out my mom went to the house, he went there to beat her, to harass her. Then my mom was even pregnant for my little sister. That was 2017. Now, the whole thing, the way it is right now, sir, we just want something that maybe it's going to, because, sir, to be honest, if we start opening chapters, if I start going back, I mean, this voice note is not even going to end. So many things I can't count, so many injuries we've gotten. So, and my mom is not getting any younger. What if something had happened to her yesterday? And when it even happened, my brother was not around. He had to take bike from Ogun State down. In fact, so many things. And my little sister was also crying. Everybody, it's just so. I called my dad, and my dad was just swearing for me on the phone. I would even send you a record of one of our calls. Sir, I just want something that, please, I don't know if you can take it to this, our backyard, because my mom, we are a huge fan of Azovia FM, and we listen to that program. My mom said she listened to a program, something like this last week, and she just wondered that if the case could be taken there, and so that people would also, like, so that it is not going to hurt her when he sees her outside, because if it was to be a human rights something, I'm a member of this human rights monitoring agenda, and I could have easily forwarded it there, but so many human rights cases that so many human rights we've gone to, and we even have files in their office. Still yet, my daddy will still go against their instruction and still go. I feel like, okay, this time around, maybe this, whatever instruction that will be given to him will be firm enough to prevent him from hurting us, because that's how he always does. He will still come down to find us, to want us, and start embarrassing and harassing us. I mean, my mom has gone through a lot from this man, not just my mom, every one of us. Because whenever my dad wants to beat my mom, it does not let us come in between. Like, sometimes the minute you stand up to do anything, you beat all of us, you beat us mercilessly, you hit us, injure us, so many injuries, so many things. So I'm really, really tired of this. My mom is also tired of it. I know how it feels. I know what it feels like. Sir, please, I beg in the name of God, please, sir, I would like it if you can take this program up, this issue up on your program, please, sir, I beg you. I beg in the name of God, Oganedu, please. My mom is really going through a lot. She's really, really going through a lot. And I know there are so many women going through this. Countless times my mom would leave because people will say, and she'll say, because of my children, she'll come back. My daddy's older brother, he died last year. Before he died, his wife died, I think 2013 or 2012. This man always beats his wife. He killed his wife through this same beating. The woman left behind 5 children. As I'm talking to you now, 2 of those, all the children are scattered. It's just remaining 2. They stay at Ajegunle. They even came to our house recently for this new year. They are orphans now. They have no father, they have no mother. The father killed their mother. He also died last year. He fell sick and he died. Sir, please, I beg you. I don't want the same to happen to my mom. So many people are going through this, but they can't speak up because they are saying because of children. Because of children. Please, Oganego, I beg in the name of God. Sir, please, I'm begging you on behalf of my siblings, my family. Please, sir, I beg you.
Before I call the man, I go play the phone call when he be say she been due with her father, and the thing when he be say the father been tell her.
Hello? Daddy, good evening, sir.
Not good evening, me. I've told you, know this number, you call am again. Why? She be here. She be now you get mother. Me, I fall for her. I don't be your father. Carry your mama and take God beg you.
That's why
yeah?
our baby
I think let me tell you.
Yes.
You let me to tell you. I think anything what I do, I always wrong. I may be wrong person.
You see your wife,
your mother
right. Whatever she goes,
I don't hear you.
And then you come here, you're praying for me, you are telling me that me, I will be suffering.
I will tell you, should be you told me they insult me.
Who insulted you? Me
carry 18 people. Now your brother carry come with me for house to come beat me.
So you want to kill your mother for us? I did that call. No, she should die.
I don't tell you now.
What have been doing for the bonus? Before you bonus.
I don't have issue with anybody.
Have I called you? This call, I made it to my dad yesterday night after everything, because when I called him yesterday afternoon, when this thing was happening, he was just laying curses on me over the phone. Even my roommate, Priya is also a witness. Priya was also, in fact, she just had to collect the phone and just hang up because she was like, I should stop listening to curses. Yesterday night when I later called him, that was the response. Each time, sir, I do not speak. I and my dad, we do not talk. Because of the way he behaves to my mom, all of us, we tried to give him, since I left secondary school, my dad has never asked me, how are you faring? What are you eating? Where are you living? I was in a school, he never even supported me till I left the school. And as I am right now, I'm trying to write JAMB. I want to do a direct entry to Unilag. My dad is not even asking me how far, how are you doing, what have you eaten? Instead, anytime I call my dad, he just starts swearing for me and tells me not to call his line. The same thing he does with my elder sister, my elder brother. It's just my little brother. Even my little sister is my elder brother that is sponsoring our school. My elder brother and my mom and my elder sister. We are the one that is taking care of my little sister. It's only my younger brother, Aliyu, the second to last one, is the only one who pays the school fees. And as this now, he's already complaining that Aliyu should also leave school. Let him know that he's not paying any child school fees again and all that. It's just, sir, please.
Anyway, now the call be that from her. Anyways, I go try call the father now. When time reach for una to call, I go call the phone number. But I go try call the father now. Make I hear waiting for the father get to talk. I know say all of them they listen, both the mother and the lady in question. Everybody they listen. So all of them where they there. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I greet you, sir. How work, sir? How business, sir? Hello.
I do.
My name is Nanedu. I call you from Wazobia FM, Lagos.
Okay.
Now, so what make me they call you now because of things where we dey hear around where we don't see. Both neighbors where they around where your family they stay, both people when they say they involved, we don't hear different thing about the issue with you and your family. According to what we hear, say you they beat your wife at any small time, any pakam, you don't knock them like a panteka, you don't hit them left, right, and center. According to what them talk, say the children too. If the children try talk, you go give them backhand. Through way this one go corner.
What?
Say you don't turn John Cena. It just the all of them they do wrestling. They beat everybody. So the question now, they say you be Superman and Batman, all of them together. So they say not be today. It start say it don't take. Now, now I say it not go good to hear from one side. Make we also hear from you. Now, from the question on the talk, yes, say even now, say the school fees of the children, you know they pay now only the one boy, and say the boy say you don't even talk say you no want pay the school fees of the boy. Say make Ikuku stop school so that you go know say they pay school fees for anybody again. Now say make I call you. If this thing not true, I mean no what I hear. I the person where they talk, just they carry on they talk. Now I say make we hear from you. Make it be saying two sides we hear from.
Oh God bless you, Joe.
Bless you too, sir.
God will bless you in our work.
Yeah.
As the good work will they go.
Yeah.
Well, it happened to be I'm not around there anymore. I'm not in Lagos now. I just left Lagos.
Yes.
So what happens? You want to hear from me for phone? If you have money to hear.
Now no problem. Don't worry. I know they pay airtime. Now don't worry.
Okay.
Go on. I can listen to you. Everybody they hear you. The whole world they hear you now. The whole Lagos, the commissioner of police. So everybody they hear you. So just they talk. So now make we call you now. Make you talk your own.
Okay. The thing is that say number one.
Yes, sir.
Man wey no you go ask your man wey no go school, wife no go school, they manage to survive with children to go to. Abi?
Yes, no be lie.
Then now, woman wey dey for house, me every day at the hustle. I know the day house, woman now you dey, now you be mother of children. Now you dey look children. Because they say if man not dey, now mother now be
the next in command.
That's good. So now I just surprised to see all those children now. What I'm telling you, the first born of that woman is in somewhere practical her life. I go take good. I should take the second one. Since from 18 years now, that boy don't turn to man on his own. He know the real world. He start for ground. He start practicing how to steal for house. Yes, so.
I dey hear you.
Then I tell the mama, say, me, I don't like all this kind of thing. Me with the father, I no chief, I no go like get picky with the
thief.
Before you know how far, that woman carry children from me, he go to his father, to her father. They were there together. Before you know how far, I go there to they take quarrel, come out there. They can carry them come house, they no agree follow me. You no agree follow mama come for her new house. Before you know how far, yes, they don't rent house.
Oh, say she don't rent house? I mean the boy don't rent house.
The boy don't rent house.
Okay.
I dey wonder for mama, your pikin, you no gree finish school na SS1 now he reach for Ojo Cantonment. Command.
He don't rent house.
I know say he learn computer small.
Okay.
How he can't get money for house? The mama begin happy, pikin they do Yahoo. I say,
Oh, they happy. Your wife they happy say is your son they do Yahoo.
The pikin don't they do Yahoo? Yes, they favor him. I say, me I no sabi anything, but all this kind of way your pikin they do, I no like him.
Yes.
Common certificate for school. This pikin no. Before I get admission in that Ojo Cantonment school, no be small thing. I pay before they are allowed to take them in that school. It's a shame if this boy no gree finish that school. Before I know how far, I don't know how he package here and mama then go one place. They say the school, Oshodi, they get where they call the man school for Oshodi. I say, I know if this pikin if no gree finish this school, I don't get money to put her. I don't get another money to go put her for another
school. Yeah.
Before you know how far, I don't know how your mama do. Mama say shame they catch her. Say don't fail one school. Now if pikin fail school, that he see mates then different. Now that time he could buckle up to
do better.
To meet up with them. Before you know how far Ogania they travel, I don't know how she they do. Before I know she picking for us again. Mama know the school, another school, then go put their self. At times the boy go come home, the way they see him, you know they I go call him mama say, this school we go put this pikin, my hand no deal. This thing you are doing, you are encouraging these children more. I tell pikin say, see with you decide on my own, I pass my back, go put her for school where I don't even know. Okay? I lock up. I still they try to, if you won't go, they say every week that they give her money, I go try to still raise. I say, okay, take, give her. If they serious for the school, mama go. Now me go even tell mama, say, so you put this boy for school, have you went there to even check which thing they do? School? Yeah, the mama go say, yeah, he go. Now me go still give her transfer, go check her. Me, Oga, be traveler, I know they do one place.
Yeah,
since this person, I don't leave Lagos now.
Yes.
So now, this woman, if I just enter house like this woman go begin. I feel come on for 1 month, 3 months, I never come. If I enter house where I go say, I make her come rest. If I enter like this, now trouble this woman go take.
Which kind of trouble should they give you?
You listen, I'm coming. I get woman for her side. I get girlfriend for here. This I go there. If you see me, they make all like this. I begin speak. Maybe woman voice or lady voice. Want to you not be voice. You could just change mood. You go begin change them for me. They sing for me for us. I go still call this woman. Me and you don't get 5 children. My brother don't die with your wife. Some of your children they are dead. Me now picking, I be woman, I be my own like this for my age like this 40 something years. I they go 46 or girl. Now woman go they find up and down. We don't born full ground like this. This woman will never understand. Any small thing, all those are the things where they cause quarrel for the house. Yes. If I dey follow and talk like this, it go change that for me like say, okay, that one don't get but if this woman picking do wrong thing like this, for the talk to them like this.
You always talk say, my guy, you always talk say this woman picking. Now you born now.
No, I say they don't do me now, God. Me say if I want run, I don't want to kill you. Because me I'm from Edo, that woman na Yoruba. The pattern way they come they do for me now, I don't tire.
But even
the other girl, the other girl wait say go school. That girl, as me and you they talk now. Me, I don't know what that girl they do. The third picking. I don't know where she did. I don't know what they do. I travel leave that girl for house. You say 1 euro for one big when you finish. You don't finish secondary school for about 4 years.
You say maybe not Jambi one right, have you?
You could do many things. Then one day we dey say post
UME
exam. We dey go do for Yaba after they collect am for University of Lagos. We go, we do am. When they never do that exam, oga, no rest, I no get money, nothing dey. My wife no. And Gary we dey drink. Only Okada wey I get, I go sell am because me that get see meet up for that school. We do finish, do exam, the pass, then go school, they say post exam, now I come make out of 12, now 9 get. They no go take am again. Make do. I say, don't worry, cool down. Maybe God say never be your
turn.
Money no dey my hand. We go do am. Oga, could you believe after then we are travel? Before I know how far, now so this girl would they call me, Daddy, I stay at home and for this month now I say, you don't go, you are go learn something first. You are just 18 years, you never too late, I be 16 years plus. Cool down. Oga, I travel, I don't know the time where my wife carried Pikin. He and Pikin plan again. As me I use the talk now, I swear to God who make that. No, you cannot ask me, I go tell you, I don't know where that Pikin dey. He only tell me say they Lagos. The wife say he go one school. They do for Ogun State, they read their mass communication school. At times they go take phone, take a picture, they go show me. I go say, okay, you this year, you say, I did fine. Oh God, could you believe upon that school they send money for food? They get mama saying they care me, I don't know. I come to say, Pikin will never reach anything. Why you go live out? Where in they stay? He say now one woman above her for house. Now he they stay with you. Now so I think that this my woman says, you go see where this your Pikin they live. Make you know whether the person they stay with, whether he's responsible or you know responsible. How can person go just have one person for house? You say now woman they stay with me from there goes to. I give my wife money, he go, he say now go stay. He go, he come, he say, I travel again. He say, he say, I'm okay. The woman is a nice person. Like this, I say, okay. The life don't change. Nowadays, some people will give their Pikin another thing that they take and they do. Talk less of the one way you know give her. Whether the woman are prostitute for night, my Pikin, they go do a shower for, we don't know what it is. They travel, they see many things. Okay, that one come pass. You know, like the Pikin call me for phone. He say, that he get with it, they won't pay for the school, 60-something thousand. I be 70-something thousand, 120. So I say, now the school, they won't do exam. They say they no go let them do. I say, okay.
Ma stop you small. Make I leave that issue. But the main issue, I not go like give you. The main issue. Now the beating. Now the beating. Now be the main issue.
That is it. See, let me joke you. See, that my wife, you don't date now 3 years or 4 they take senior. We not be small Pikin to ourselves.
Okay.
We be say if your husband, number one, life, woman and husband living now, understanding I be love for house. This woman, why be saying one thing every time? I will always repeat one talk. What did they call fight or guy? He almost like one talk every time.
So when you tell her the thing where you not drum, now you come beat him.
He go still do.
And that one go vex you come beat him.
He go still do. That times I dey provoke. He go make me enter around because you talk, you don't dey provoke me. I know something good that if papa no dey, if mama no dey, we no get family close like that. Now me and him dey know as we dey carry ourselves for up. Why you cannot use think all those things to dey understand my doing? Every time you want make them hear me and you, I go to talk to you like small Pikin, and you cannot hear. That's why that your boy self cannot hear. That boy, you know, say that boy, last night, that boy go carry guns, carry people, they follow me, they fight him, mama, they go carry 18 people, now that boy carry come my house, say me and they fight him, mama. Right from time, that boy is my enemy, my Pikin, no, they listen to me, no, they greet me, and mama shine, mama no be calling Pikin, say, you no feel they greet your father. All those things they happen, I go, they look this woman here, and Pikin at 5 and 6. Me, I turn to your Pikin enemy because I tell her make it go school. Now school I tell that boy to go, now they turn to enemy or guy, not be another thing, or ask him mama.
My own, I understand everything where you don't talk. I not go like give. If I tell you I don't understand, I dey lie to you. I dey lie and I understand. But the basic thing where they worry me. You see, when man settle down marry woman, he get love where they there will make you marry him in the first place. You understand? And that attraction they there. And if man they beat woman, if any for as far as I'm concerned, any man will raise hand they beat woman, that man not love himself and he not love the woman, because when you beat the woman now yourself now you they beat. So what are they try talk now be say how we go take do, because this beating it must stop immediately with immediate effect, because
let me tell you something.
because
Sorry, as you say Buhari they hear us. Let me tell you something now. As you say Buhari they hear us. We are Muslim. You hear?
I hear you.
We can marry as how many we want as a Muslim law. You hear what I tell you?
I hear you.
But I bench that. I refuse because I know one polygamous family. I know as our papa born us. But as this woman, even man will go also for many months, no see him. He go enter house. You go begin take another thing we no supposed to oppress her. If I go also for many days, I come as make a rest. Yeah, I rest with my family. This woman will bring another issue enter my mind. Then how you want make I do? Now this fight come out to me in the fight. The pikin go carry people come fight me with that boy. You don't see his face. If you don't see that boy, if
you not fight the mama, because now normal thing for Pikin to want defend the mama, now normal thing. If you no, of course Pikin they defend papa, Pikin they defend mama. The Pikin they defend their parents, but na normal thing for Pikin to want defend parents when then they beat her. Na normal thing. So the boy not do well, yes, because he they go again papa he not do well. But also you go try understand where your Pikin they come from. Waiting cause that emotion to get to that point for him to do that thing where you do. Because and now you be the originator of the whole thing. If you not beat the mama in the first place, if the mama vex you say okay, you know what thing happening, I beg make a carry waka come up for here to avoid issues. Beating for no day, you understand me? Because if cause and effect, if something no cause something, that will not, if effects no go there, if you not beat, you not get how the Pikin not go react. Now make I tell you what thing that happen to your children now. Emotionally most of them they damaged right now. I not go like give you emotionally most of your children mentally then they damaged right now. Because
so
then
their mama they damage the oga. Me I don't know anything. Who want damage me? As you see me like this oga, see me before they talk this one I say me I don't know say na so Yoruba people be at the end.
No, not be so Yoruba people not be so Yoruba people.
This girl, sorry for that.
You could just say the person where you they talk to. Everybody get their own separate.
What I'm saying now. That is this my woman. Sorry for the miss wrong talk.
It's okay.
Yeah, I don't know say na so it be to me. Any Pikin they damage you, that they good do. Now you know because before woman go carry Pikin come out for house, you know tell the father go they stay outside. You know plan with me. You don't the Pikin wey carry go outside wey say no go school. Wey say they go school. Ask tell am say where the girl dey. Me I don't know.
I know say you mean. I know say you mean well. From what
wait now. If I know the house, the girl go come. If I come home,
he not go gree come.
House, they go say they no give them chance for where they work you. I say which person wey no finish school, which work if they work?
Before we call back the man, they could try call the wife small. Hello ma.
Hello.
Good morning ma. My name is Nanedu. Would they call you from Waziba FM?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You don't hear what we dey talk, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Madam, I want to ask you something. Any truths there for waiting your husband talk? I know they hear you well, madam.
No truth for what when they talk.
Waiting be the lie where they inside.
That is one matter where he talk to. Say whether the boy they do yahoo or not do yahoo. Truth with the boy when he pursue that boy house from house. It's not nine take and change that boy house.
Nine chase the boy. Waiting make him chase your son out of the house.
That time, this boy they about 14 years old.
Yes. So
this man is the kind of person who say if you see a man, even though for you to greet him, fear go they catch you. He happen say this boy they small. That right one small. I don't know what this and this boy see. Any small thing like this, before he know, he go start to the beat the boy. And it's just little things. Maybe that boy if he does go outside, does no matter which child go to say. He come out for his house, they play with something. If the father meet and there, he go start with the pizza.
So your son been they do yahoo. Abi they do yahoo.
they do, I mean myself, I'm the kind of person that I'm not gonna lie for you. When they do all those times when they do this thing, I follow up the can, which is I'm make ask him to go rent house. I mean to go get a shop. Make it go.
You ask him making go rent house, I'm making go rent shop.
May go rent shop.
Why you not ask him to stay for school?
Bros, let us talk the word. Now start the matter. How this boy matter tell you? This boy right from small when he dey small. When I think it's in Papa right from time, he say na so beat. Any little thing go beat am. He go beat am so he go tie and put for chair for inside house. If with this boy, then they take her. So later.
Make I even ask you something. May I even ask you something? Not vex, madam. How long we don't they married to this man?
He's 25 years old.
And this marry wanna marry. Una do wedding.
No, do wedding. No the introduction. Don't they go to go and see my family.
Una not do introduction.
Yeah, you just do introduction. No need them.
Una you pay bride price. You pay bride price.
You pay bride price.
Eh?
No.
Oga not be your husband be that. Madam not be your husband. Una not they married now. Una not they married. You are a single woman. He's a single man. If you whether you vex or not, now the truth I tell you so. Tombo I lie.
Single man in collabo.
Single man and single woman in collabo. Eh?
Fiance.
Na fiance now una be. Una not marry. Not be your husband. The only thing where they call marriage now when una two either traditionally then do him pay bride price, your family collect the bride price. You don't become in own, him don't become your own. But introduction na like normal introduction, meet my boyfriend, meet my sister, that's all. Una not marry. So that man not be your husband. Carry and go court anywhere, not be your husband. In front of God itself, not be your husband. Make you come that one for road. Now this matter of him beating you where you sit down, I can never understand why women go still there with the person where they beat them over and over with your oppressor when I'm going to go back to them. All because of children. According to what your daughter tell me. Oh, because of my children. The children where you they stay because of, you don't they damage them emotionally and mentally already. Because of the children where you want to stay. See where your daughter they emotionally for her to get to me, for her to reach to me. You know they okay. Imagine say you don't come out tete when this guy begin the beat. Your daughter's head not go there where he dey. Your son head not go there where he dey. I lie I be I talk through.
By then there's nobody.
Madam, which is there's nobody. You only need yourself and God. You don't need anybody. You don't need anybody. You only need you and God. You need your mouth, your will, your power, and God. That's all. You don't need any human being. Make una stop to the talk say nobody there to help me. Nobody there to help anybody. God don't give you everything where you need to help yourself. See the matter where we dey inside now. Hadibi you don't come out years ago. We for this place they talk this thing. The man they when they talking on saying no they do again. Him don't run. You dey where they talk. You dey. Madam, make I call him. I beg. Wanna leave me. I know they like all this kind of thing. We they talk this thing over and over and over for this radio. Una not they hear. If man never pay your bride price, not be your husband.
Check it now.
See, no, Tombomo could talk am.
You know saying they do it. This matter they tire me. If you check the number of people that never pay their bride price for this country,
They fool.
and
And another major thing, I use God to beg all of una where they hear me. You dey in a relationship, the man they raise hand on you, he not go stop. Leave.
Run.
Run. Even if then they shout, oh, why are you running? Run. Yeah, that thing for Instagram. Why are you running? Run. Because the truth is, man wey claim say he love you, raise hand, slap you the first time. Man wey claim say he love you, not go beat you. Because as he dey beat you, now himself he dey beat. Because the emotional repercussion of the thing they higher than the physical repercussion.
Bam.
Are you with me now? You get the point now. So man where you can't love, or rather wey claim say he love you, begin beat you, it don't end for you be that. Women God not they do this one. Not they say God will heal him. No. God not they heal anybody when they beat anybody. You dey hear me now? I use God to beg una. If you dey relationship where then they beat you, come out. You don't know how this thing they vex me.
You know my wahala.
Waiting.
My problem is say, where will I go to? Who am I run to?
Who?
No, run to my father.
No,
house.
run to me. Run to me.
Run to.
Stay there, make them kill. You know how many women don't die from domestic violence on top of the show? They don't call.
Now, so one of my sisters run now.
The papa elder brother.
He beat and kill.
He beat him, kill him. They say that's what he did for their family. Now they call the man now. Make I even ask him that question.
One of my sisters, they beat him. He don't die. I tell her, I say run. Now. She said no. Wow. We don't bury her. Go.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
I dey call you back now, sir, because I no go lie give you I want just ask you one or two questions. Naturally, not be your wife be that woman. Shebi you know.
Oga, anything we like. If not my wife, make person marry and carry go now. If I never pay that.
No, hold on. Oga, it be like say calm down. But Shebi I say I go ask you question.
Oga,
allow me talk now. Hey.
We off the phone now.
Hey, whoa.
You ask me say whether number one, it not be boyfriend and girlfriend we they do before we begin for that belly.
I want ask.
If we want pay that, not be understanding. It's the same understanding that will move you to say you want
make I ask you something, sir. Make I ask you something, sir. One last question. Make I ask you.
Yes.
You want to continue with this marriage with this woman, with this relationship with this woman or not?
That's good for that question you asked me. I like that. You see, I want to tell you something. As that woman,
I get 30 seconds before I enter market. I get 30 seconds.
Yes. Now that woman, as she don't in Peking, don't they beat me? They plan say they won't poison me. Me, I don't want again.
No problem. When I don't hear the phone calls, when I don't hear everything, both from the mother, briefly from the mother, and then when I hear from the daughter, the other daughter there and the other son there, their phone number there as well, but I never want to call them because obviously I don't get everything when it is I need. Now, not be, in fact, Tombe, make I hear from you first of all. What do you think about this matter from the beginning to the end?
You see, Nedua, I don't reason this matter individually and communally. What I don't like, first of all, are the way the man the woman, which is very wrong.
Very, very wrong
and
to start
from
with.
him or if I reach where we don't know, I know the support of that one.
Bam.
But then again, if you look at the matter from the physical point of view, Nedu, something there wrong there. Some score, comma. If I'm looking at it, if you look from the woman angular velocity, something there wrong from there. The man side too.
Plenty things there wrong.
The man, they're like, in fact, the man is totally wrong too. What I do?
See, make I point out something. To start with, Oga, they very, very wrong. Is unheard of. Make man they raise hand hit woman. Not be something we supposed to happen at all. Be that to start with. Abi. Then the other one, where she talk, where the girl talk, he said the papa they try, the papa they pay school fees for them, the papa they pay school fees for them, but say na the beating. Then later, he come talk say the papa they pay anything again for her. The papa not even they ask her anything. He could maybe, I just they talk. He could maybe say papa don't lay some kind instructions how he wants something to go, and he not go the way when he be saying want make it go. He begin come out hand say, you know what, I not even do again. But you see one place where I go come back, everybody getting own fault. You see one place where I go come back to one talk. If the foundation they faulty, what can the righteous
do?
Madam, hear me well. Except say to die they hungry you. Except say to die, to lie. Maybe your bed don't tire you. You know like your bed soft again. You just want make you try how you go there for coughing. Except say na what you want try be that. You hear what your daughter talk, and you say if you know him. e dey for the history of your daughter or your children papa their family to dey beat violence dey their family sef don even tell you. Your own family no support the wedding, not even wedding, no support the relationship. E own elder brother, he beat him wife, kill am. He himself never die. So madam, wetin you dey wait for? The elder brother children no be in our house dem dey, no be orphans dem be now. Madam, I dey draw hand for ear for you. My mother dey talk something, make I talk am for Igbo. Ana agwante nti anu webe puisi nti soro ya. When they tell ear does not hear word. When they cut the head, they come out, ear go follow am go. Now during the day, then they look for black goat. Madam, run when you still get 2 legs. Except say na coffin the hungry you want make the man beat you again, kill you down. Then go they beat you according to what your children they talk. When they want come join hand, the man go give them their own shakam on top.
Giveaway.
He go to collect their own giveaway beating. The man not deny him. We ask the man say sometimes he go come back. The man go do that, I go enter him. When now one thing for man to say I beat him, and a second thing for him to say I enter him.
I enter him and I beat him.
Now 2 different things. So to enter me say now like they gonna beat you like man. Now me enter. See, you see the basic thing where we they fight for here right now. Now the beating. Whether the man talk true or the man lie.
That beating part not true.
Now the beating part now we hold will be true. Now 2 things where we hold will be true. The beating part and the fact say the man won't make the children go school. Those are the only 2 things will be true inside. Where we know. Every other part I don't aware. Good morning.
No, we don't know.
Talk to us. I beg. Talk to us. We they hear you.
My man is Zubi.
Zubi, talk to us.
I want to thank you and congratulate you for this work. You be like say you go learn the work somewhere. A gift to God will just give you. And you do use them well. God go bless you.
Bless you too, sir.
See, this matter, you don't think I finish you. Waiting they fear me before they say maybe you no go, your mind no go reach. But your mind reach. Look, this man, according to the daughter, the family they violent, they beat the woman. He get family where they beat the woman, they don't take nonsense. Woman lose, they go beat them.
Yes.
Now since 10 years ago, when government come put eye inside, now people come there and like say, that's true, to beat the woman no good though.
No good, yes.
So this man was taking care of his family too.
According to the
time,
daughter even
the wife na the type where you know they send the husband. According to the story, they only know the aim with the children. So when the man come, things no go they move as he want, and even they talk. His wife go to chop it and gun. They tell her say if they go follow woman outside,
yes.
Don't even walk if they go.
Yes.
A woman in they go full outside. So the woman them can't get annoyed. That's why they just maybe small. Now from there they enter him according to him. When they come they enter and the woman come claim say if they beat them come collaborate with the children, they come against the man.
Against the
family
man.
come scatter.
Exactly.
So maybe na help they want. That family need help.
The help.
All of them commit.
The help. Exactly. Children commit. Mama commit. Papa commit. All of now make me they tell you say the only 2 things will be truth for this matter as far as I'm concerned. Now the beating and say the man wanted the
yes. Now that beating now be the wahala. So if we can see where we go make the man not to beat his wife again.
Man, we don't talk saying not they're not married now. They're not be married people now. They're not do marriage now.
Can you make the scatter na be the best?
No be make the scatter be the best. Oga, make I tell you the truth. They say agboto da saying agbára ló lọ mú wá. Before go charge go back to something. He go takes 2 steps backward. Then come charge go back. At least, madam, take space small. Think about yourself. Rearrange yourself first of all. Then if you go see make ma tell you the truth, Oga. You see this family, then go come back together. Then go do together.
Yes.
Not be whether by God's grace or not, they will. You not get any man we go get elder children like this. We go live them. It's not possible.
5 children.
It's not possible.
Yes, make them separate the first.
Make them get their time first of all.
Within some years now, they go realize and
they go realize themselves. They go come back.
Yes,
but
now the thing why I say
exactly. Thank
God,
you.
God will bless you. God
bless you too, my brother. So I not think say the family go scatter.
Good afternoon.
Ngwa, talk to us. We dey hear you quick.
Okay. Concerning what they've been saying online, on air. So the matter is not something for me. It's been going on for long.
I know.
See, if the former area where we are living, we lived at a former area to the extent that nobody used to even put mouth in what's going on again in my community. Nobody used to put mouth. Nobody used to say anything again. In fact, when it's doing anything, everybody just look at them saying, that madman. It don't start again. When I was 5 years, 6 years, that's when I've been seeing different things he has been doing to my mom. See, there was a night that I can't forget. That's the first time that the thing entered. That's the first time that I got to know about this. When he was beating my mom, I saw blood coming out from her mouth. A lot. That's enough. And the most painful thing that is always on baseless things. I wish it's something that has reason. See, I'm growing up in the street. I used to be ashamed of to walk with my mates.
You see the emotional thing where they talk.
Because everybody knows. I'll tell you something. I'm a lady. When I started my first menstrual period as a lady, the whole streets knew.
Wow.
How did the whole streets know? The whole streets knew because he'll be beating me. I was 11 years old. See, my dad, even me as I am, I still tried my possible best that I should try to bring things together. For it to reach to this stage, my mom is using iron, something that is iron, to be beating her. He was beating her all over her body. That blood is coming from her mouth. My mom, she's somebody that I don't know how to. She's very calm. If you listen to when you were talking to her, you will notice that her voice is calm.
Yes.
She's very calm. I wish she knew for us to come outside to start talking. It's because she don't know. She's very soft at it, and any small thing she will start crying. She doesn't, and she is like this. She doesn't have family.
You see how these parents take the damaged children.
The children of.
He says this parent take the damaged children. You know what thing will happen, my dear. I'm going to talk to after this show. I go see talk to all of una. If need be, all of una go come studio on Friday. If need be, all of una go pack on herself. Come once.
This thing about to find a way to settle it and stuff. Since when I'm growing up, we've gone to human rights, we've gone to different things. I wish there's a reason. At least there should be a reason you're beating somebody.
So you they feel now say settlement not there for this thing. Is that
the
what?
The only thing we want, all of us, is that it should not see, even wherever they are, where my mommy is, it should not raise his hand on her. If you see her on the road, it should not touch her. We don't want anything.
Wow.
Hello. You see, those of una where they talk say, oh, they do settle this family. You see, most of una when they be say they write message for WhatsApp here. Oh, Ogane do. Oh, what you are doing is not nice. Settle this family. You see, don't let me swear for you. Don't let me. My sake for you. Say, bro, you know how many marriages we don't settle for this show. Where road day you go know. Where road not day you go know. I'm not talking say road not day here. But if you listen to waiting, I talk with Tombo, everybody talk. Make space day first of all.
You need them.
Children not go feel go back house when the papa day because then they fear. Make I play because of network. I not feel call Aisha, but make I play waiting the lady will follow talk now. Make I play with his talk.
Hello, sir. I said let me send this audio to you because this thing has gotten really, really far. If you go to the environment where we are living, every single person in that area. My dad would wake us in the middle of the night and be flogging us. I wish he's flogging us with cane. You know what? They're using to old cotton. He will use it to flog me and my brother. My brother received a lot of beating from him. My brother received plenty beating. My brother received beating that his clothes would tear on his body with blood. He would tie my brother with rope and be beating him. My brother was 16 years old when he left the house. When my brother wanted to leave, I wanted to go. It was my mom. My mom was like, she doesn't want to be alone. I should stay. Before I later went back to school, the whole streets know what we're going through. We got to this new area. For the today, those people were telling us that we should even see this thing. If you want to call people from my former area, people from my former area, people from this our new environment. Today is me and my mom's birthday. I posted it. Somebody that knows from way back when we were young was saying the same thing, that you just pray that my mom should find happiness. It's not easy for her. It's not easy. She does not have the love of family, and she doesn't know where to go to. I wish she does not have the experience, the knowledge, the worldly experience and knowledge. It was the first man she knew. I wish my mom, I just wish that she was rebellious, just a little bit, so that I would say that at least she was also rebellious to him. She can't talk back to him. See, we'll pick pin till early morning. Neighbors from their friends, they will clap, they'll be telling you that you, this man, are a madman. See the way you are tormenting your family and your children. It will beat, my dad has beat me, I fainted, he beat me, I fainted, he beat me, I fainted. I can't forget. See, I had a lot of health issues because of this. For me to be coming out to say all these things, it has gotten far.
Una don't hear him, Abi. Those of una where they say settle. Una don't hear him, Abi. Make I call the man for the final time before I come off from inside studio. The family then go come the studio on Friday. All of them go come studio on Friday. Then we'll continue from there. See how we go take do am. But make I call the man, make him know. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
I don't talk to your full family. I don't talk to all your children. I don't hear everything we then get to talk and everything with. I need me you listen to me, sir, because I get just 2 minutes. And everything we then talk is not sweet me. I not gonna like give you. It not sweet me.
About me or about
Oga, I beg, I want talk.
Sorry.
I beg, I want talk. You see me say I bring my voice down, talk to you. I beg. Shebi you say you no want do again with them. They beg why they beg you now. Now say I beg. Whether you see the woman for road tomorrow, you see her anywhere, I beg, not touch her, leave her. The children then they beg for their mother's life. Make their our own too for here. We they beg, make she dey okay. Make wala not day. You don't talk say you no want do again. No problem. This beating don't they go on for years where not fit count. So I beg. You no want them again.
I say you no want hear my own. Now lie that they lie for my head.
Oh God, lie. Wait, all your children, everybody they talk. Okay, thank God say you don't hear. Momo not go whether just the beating where you don't agree when you be saying at the same thing all of them they talk. I beg, stay away from them. For now.
You say make I do waiting. I know yes.
Stay away from beating the woman for now.
No, you don't talk. You say I don't already stay away from them.
Okay.
No go far too much.
Good.
I'll stay away from them.
Then stay away from them.
Have you hearing me?
I go tell them. I go push.
Stay away from them.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. I go also do am, and I go also do am anyway. Be say it go dey legal now. I go give them lawyer. We go draft something. We go make them dey legal so that you not go near them again. Make themselves dey okay. Make yourself dey okay. If you get new family, make you face your new family. Make you face your work. Face everything. Make them dey okay because emotions has been damaged. Mental health don't dey damaged. Thank you, sir. Say you even pick my call. If need be, I go still call you again. God bless you, sir.